Did you know that certain bold design choices, like dark painted ceilings or a statement pantry door, can increase your home's perceived value by up to 8%? Yes, turns out beige isn't always best. Hi, I'm Erica McClain, and today we're talking about uncommon design trends, the ones that don't show up in every Pinterest board, but do show up in homes that sell faster and for more. So let's dive in. Here's the challenge. There is a sea of design trends out there. One day it's farmhouse everything, and then next it's Japanati, minimalism. So how do you know what actually adds value to your home versus what will make buyers say, cool, but we'll have to rip that out? Too many homeowners either play it too safe or they go all in on something trendy and end up limiting their buyer pool. The truth? Some of the most valuable updates are the ones you'd never expect. And they don't require gutting your entire house. Okay, let's look at a few uncommon design trends that pack major value. And no, we're not talking about shiplap walls or white subway tile again. Mood colors in small places. Think dark greens, navy blue, even charcoal in powder rooms, entryways, or dining rooms. Why it works? It creates depth, drama, and a luxury feel, especially when paired with warm lighting. Real life example. I helped stage a home in Portage Park with a moody green accent wall in the den. Buyers loved it. It made the space feel high-end and cozy. Integrated greenery, not just plants on shelves. We're talking about built-in planters, green walls, or even herb gardens in kitchen windows. Why it works? Signals health, there's a blooper, sustainability, and lifestyle appeal, especially to younger buyers. It adds that Instagrammable charm without being high maintenance. Statement interior doors. Think sliding barn doors in unexpected materials, not just rustic wood. Arched doorways or a bold color in your pantry door. Why it works? It adds character and charm. Plus, it's a way to upgrade without touching flooring or cabinets. Concealed storage everywhere. Hidden drawers under stairs, toe kick storage in the kitchen, built-in bench storage in mudrooms. Why it works? Buyers love clever functionality. Storage is a premium, even if they don't know it yet. Black framed windows and doors. Clean, architectural, and surprisingly timeless. Why it works? Adds contrast and definition to any room, modern or traditional. Makes your listing photos pop as well. Now here's the one trend that surprised even me with how much buyers go crazy for it. The multi-use flex room. Not just a bedroom, not just an office, it's both. With built-in desks, wall beds, or sliding dividers. Why it works? Since 2020, buyers have shifted priorities. They want homes that adapt, offices that can turn into gyms, or a guest room that doubles as craft spaces. One seller in Edison Park turned their smallest bedroom into a flex room with a sleek Murphy bed, built-in shelving, and a sliding glass door. It wasn't a huge investment, but the buyer loved it and even mentioned it in their offer letter. We ended up with 3 offers, all above asking, and the flex room was a key reason why. So whether it's a dark powder room, a plant-filled kitchen, or a smart flex room space, these uncommon trends can absolutely boost your home's appeal and value. Which of these trends would you try, or have you already added one to your home? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know what inspired you. And hey, if you're all about smart updates that actually make a difference, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos about curb appeal secrets and all kinds of other home selling tips. I hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching. Reach out at any time if you have any questions, and I hope to see you for another video.